So that's the story, right? And here we have some of the basic instruments and tools used by 19th century seamen. This here is the quadrant, which you can get for $80. It's all for sale, by the way. Like the sextant here, $50 for this. This is a bargain. These are pretty cool. These are my grandfather's glasses. I haven't quite gotten them appraised yet, but they've seen many cool things.
Are you going to sell me his liver? Mr. Witwicky, this isn't show and sell. It's the 11th grade. I don't think your grandfather would be particularly proud of what you're doing.
I know, I'm sorry. This is all going towards my car fund. You can tell your folks it's on eBay. I take PayPal, Cold Hard Cash works too. And the compass